Hostinger versus Bluehost versus SiteGround. 1 minute, 1 winner. We compare performance, pricing, uptime, and support in 60 fast seconds. First up, performance, raw speed and server response times. Hostinger leads on speed with the lowest TTFB, SiteGround close behind, and Bluehost trailing. Next, uptime. SiteGround posts near-perfect reliability. Hostinger follows closely, Bluehost slightly lower. Pricing and plans. Hostinger is the most affordable, Bluehost mid-tier, and SiteGround positions as premium. Support matters. SiteGround shines with expert help. Bluehost offers extensive docs. Hostinger delivers fast chat responses. Quick pros and cons. Hostinger best value and speed. Bluehost easy WordPress onboarding. SiteGround top reliability but pricier. Now the scorecard. We tally speed, uptime, price, and support into one quick view. It was a tight race with different strengths across the board. And the 2026 hosting winner is Hostinger for overall value and speed, with SiteGround as runner-up for reliability. Pick based on your priorities. Check the full breakdown in the description and subscribe for more hosting tests.